Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the to-go place for any young entrepreneur looking to make some extra money in side hustles and reach that financial freedom that we're meant for. So in the last video, I taught you guys how to open up your Uber Eats driver account so we can get started with Uber Eats. If you guys missed that video, I'm gonna attach a link above where you can just click on it and rewatch it. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Doordash Dasher account because as I mentioned in the beginning, we're going to be using Uber Eats, Doordash, and Skip the Dishes in order to reach $40 to $45 an hour in food delivery. So this is the part where I'm going to teach you how to open up your Doordash account, which is the next step. At the end of the video, you're going to learn how to start delivering with Doordash. You're going to have your account all set up and ready to just tackle the streets and start getting some deliveries. So if that sounds good to you, let's get going. All right, guys. So what you want to do at this point in order to get started is that you want to head to your app store and then you want to look for the Dasher app. So you're going to write Dasher and then that's basically what the app looks like. As you can see on the screen, Doordash Dasher. You're going to click on this and you're going to download this. Okay. We're going to be using this app in order to sign up for Doordash. So once it's downloaded, I'll just take a few seconds here as usual. So you're going to click on open and yeah, you're going to allow while using the app. So you're going to click on become a Dasher. Okay. Because this is a new account. You're going to click on become a Dasher. So once you do that, it's going to get you to this page where it's going to ask you to put in your postal code, which you will. So you put in your postal code at this point. Once you put in your postal code, you're going to reach the next page, which is to put in your email address. So I'm going to put in my email address. Click next. And then you're going to put in your phone number, right? So you're going to go ahead, put your phone number. Perfect. So once you put in your email and your phone number, now you can start filling in the blanks and putting your name and everything. So put in your legal name, okay? Don't come up with any nicknames or anything like that. All the information has to be truthful. So put in your actual name and your last name. Perfect. And then, so you're going to choose a password. You confirm your password. Continue. Well, it's asking for, well, you just click on no middle name, I guess. Okay, so it's saying that the password needs to be a little longer. Just let's pick a longer password. How about that? Continue. All right, so that works. So now we go in there. So this is the part where you put in your vehicle information. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and do that. Well, before you do that, sorry, it's asking you for vehicle type. So, you know, you could use a car, a scooter, a bike, a motorcycle, or e-bike. So whichever, I don't know which delivery method you're going to be using, but I highly recommend a car if you have access to a car. If not, a bike or a scooter is fine too. But if you have access to a car, then go ahead and put in a car. If not, put in what you have access to. You're going to put your date of birth, and now it gets me to this page where it's asking you to put in your address. So you're going to go ahead and fill in your address information. All right, guys. So at this point, it's going to prompt you to go to check R, which is the background check. So as you remember in the Uber Eats video, we also had to go through a background screening. So same thing for DoorDash. We're going to have to go through a background check. So you're going to click on proceed to check R, and it's going to start your background screening process. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Once you get there, you're going to verify that your information is all correct. So country of citizenship is Canada because I'm located in Canada. It's going to ask you for 2 pieces of IDs. I usually put in the passport and the driving license, or that's usually the, well, sorry, it's asking you for only one. So you're going to go ahead and put your passport or your driving license. It doesn't matter. And then you're going to put in your number. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Perfect, guys. So I just put in my passport information. Now you're going to have to put in the address history. All right, guys. So once you fill in those information, you click next. It's going to ask you if you've been convicted to any sort of crimes or anything like that. Obviously, um, you're gonna say no unless you did. I acknowledge, and then you just press continue. So now you're gonna go ahead and sign. Please confirm I'm not a robot. Put in my full name. Okay, just asking you to do this. Next. Verify. There you go. All right, so we're good now. Submit. And there you go, guys. I think we're pretty much almost done here. Click continue. All right, so it's doing its identity verification. Perfect, guys. So it finished loading, so I'm going to press on continue. Okay, so now we're going to go through identity verification. So you're going to click on get started. They need to verify who you are. So you have to take a picture of your photo ID. So you can choose any document again, driver license, passport or anything, doesn't matter. Continue. All right, I just uploaded my passport photo. So I'm just waiting for them to process this. Shouldn't be too long. All right, so perfect. So my photo ID has been approved. I think now they request a quick scan of my face. All right, just verified. And yeah, so that's it, guys. You just completed your background check. At this point, all you have to do is just wait for them to process this. And once this is processed, they're going to give you access to the Dasher app. All right, guys, so I just logged in, and as you can see, the background check is still in progress. So you just have to wait for them to process this. Once this is done, you're going to go ahead and put your banking information, and you're going to have access to the Dasher app so you can start delivering. So at this point, you guys learned the steps that you need in order to start opening your Dasher account and start delivering with Doordash. So the next video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Skip the Dishes account, which is the last step before we merge them all together. So while you wait for my next video, I have 2 videos up here about Uber Eats and other skills that you must have. So make sure to give them a watch if you missed them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.